folks. So in this video, our next video in the Introduction to Vedic Mathematics course, again, I showed you this course content all over, and we're going to focus now in this video in the first part of the Vedic Maths I, that is subtraction using all from 9 and the last from 10. So this first batch of videos in our course is all about subtraction from a base. The subtraction by Vedic mathematics method is one of the easy and simple methods. It is based on the principle, or the sutra specifically, all from 9 and the last from 10. So in this overall bird's eye view of this batch of videos, there will be, I think, 6 or 7 of them. Here we will learn to subtract any number from perfect base numbers, learn to subtract any number from sub-base numbers, learn to subtract any number from any number, okay, and extend this understanding or these concepts to money problems. So let's first start with 1.1. This will be our first video. We will end here. Subtraction, or subtract rather, any number from perfect base numbers. First of all, what are perfect base numbers? These are numbers wherein the first digit, okay, on the right of that number is 1. Okay, so for example, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1,000,000, 10,000,000, 100,000,000. I think you can picture that out. 1 with a bunch of zeros after it. Okay, so those are what we call perfect base numbers. So when the number of zeros in the perfect base number is the same. Again, the number of zeros are the same as the number of digits in the number being subtracted. What shall we do? So kindly focus your attention here. One example would be, say we have 1,000 minus 643. So this is a perfect base number, okay? And we have 1,000 for it, and minus 643. So normally, how we would subtract is 1,000 minus 643. We're going to have some borrows, and we're going to have carries and such. So basically, in our arithmetic, this kind of subtraction is the hardest one, the most difficult to imagine. Okay, but I'm going to show you in a while that in Vedic mathematics, this will turn out to be the most easiest. Most and easiest. That's kind of redundant. Anyways, so I'm gonna show you how it is done. So solution is subtract each digit. Anyways, our condition for 1.1 is that the number of zeros in this perfect base number is equal to the number of digits being subtracted. Okay, subtract each digit from 9 and the last digit from 10. Again, that's how the sutra works. This is how our technique in Vedic mathematics work. So subtract each number from 9 and the last from 10. So how do we do this? Since we know that this is the number of zeros is equal to the number of digits being subtracted, we can somehow disregard this number here, okay? And then we will focus here directly, okay? Again, provided the number of zeros are the same here. So what shall we do? We will subtract each digit, okay, before the last digit from 9 and the last digit from 10. That is why the sutra says all from 9 and the last from 10. And when we do that, we're going to subtract 9 from 6. What will be the answer? Okay, that would be 3. When we subtract 9 from 4, okay, that would be 5. Okay, and since this is 3 is the last number, we will subtract 10 from here. So 10 minus 3 is going to give us 7. Okay, and that's our answer. Actually, that's our answer already. So 1,000 minus 643 is simply as subtracting all the numbers before the last from 9 and subtracting the last from 10. So all from 9 and the last from 10. So just by looking at it, so we can see 3, 5, 7 without even doing the subtraction proper. That's that easy. Okay, so that's the answer is 357. Okay, so another example, shall we have? So we have 100,000 minus 4, 5, 3, 2, 3. Again, the number of zeros is equal to the number of digits being subtracted. Solution, I think, even though we won't write it, you know the answer already. So let's have it. So what will you, or maybe you can think of it, what will you add to 4 to make it 9? Okay, what will you add to 4 to make it 9? So let's have it. So what will you add to 4 to make it 9? 5. What will you add to 5 to make it 9? 4. How about to 3? 6. How about to 2? 7. And the last is 3. How much will you add to 3 to make it 10? 7. So that's our answer, 54,677. Again, it turns out that this is the most, okay, easy, or this is, shall we say, the easiest in Vedic mathematics compared to our regular arithmetic. This kind of subtraction is the hardest one, okay, if you would agree. That's why in our grade school, this kind of subtraction is rather used in the last part of subtraction, in the subtraction lesson. Okay, so to end this 1.1 video, let's practice. Subtract the following. Okay, so 1000 minus 616. The conditions are met. Number of zeros, okay, is equal to the number of the digits being subtracted. So what will you add to 6 to make it 9? 3, 8, 4. This is getting, we're going to get the number here from 10. So 6 add 4 will become 10. So 10,000 minus 3,265, you just need to think here. 6, 7, 3 from 10, 5. Okay, number 3, 100 minus 61. Okay, from 9, 3 from 10, 9, 39. Okay, 100,000 minus 51,000, 426. So from 9, from 9, from 9, from 9, from 10. So what we have is 5, 8, 5, 7, and 4. Okay, so that's it for our first video for Vedic Mathematics 1. Okay, kindly click the next one, next, to continue. Okay, thank you very much for watching.